Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. I'm Kerry. Today I'll be showing you a jungle animal towel I made. The towel is another gift for a new baby. I've been making a few recently. All the appliques were made using Sheepy's Maxi Sweet Treat cotton and a 1mm hook. We'll add links to the appliques I used in the description below. I use the vulture applique. Vultures aren't my favourite bird, but I guess they are useful. A tiger applique, a monkey applique. I love seeing monkeys in a park we occasionally visited when I was a child. A baby elephant applique. My mum wanted her father to get her an elephant to keep on the farm when she was small. The last applique is a zebra applique. My sewing machine was used to stitch the appliques to the towel using the colour of the towel in the bobbin and the colours of the appliques for the top thread. If you've liked my video, please like, subscribe and share. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and Patreon. The details are in the description below, along with the details of my website where I have my patterns and the details of my Facebook group. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.